Wow, I can't stop eating this. I'm trying to look at the camera too. I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm back in New York. So you see the lamb on one side, chicken on the other, one line of red. That's how you gotta do it. Check this out. Shah's Halal food. I need a million bites of this. I'm overwhelmed with emotions right now. Hey, welcome back all you full-time foodies. Today we're in Tampa, Florida. I drove an hour and a half for this spot. I found out that a Shah's Halal food truck had opened up a few months ago right here in downtown Tampa. I had to come and try it. I miss halal food so much. Back in New York, we used to have it, not every day, but I mean, maybe like once a week or every other week, probably. It's amazing. It's grilled lamb, grilled chicken. It's over, I think it's biryani. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's over a bed of rice and a salad. It's amazing. This is one of the places I used to visit on Long Island when I went to travel out to the city. I'm excited to try it. Let's get it. Let's eat. I'm hungry. I'm driving an hour and a half. You get hungry. All right, let's get it. Let's eat. Here we go. Here's the food truck. Here's the backside. There is a parking lot here. Let me show you guys a quick view of Tampa. There's some skyscrapers here. Not like New York, but there's, you know, something going on here in the downtown. All right, let's head over here and let's get some halal food. There's a pub across the street. We're not here for the pub, we're here for the food. Shah's Halal. Man, I feel so excited to see this place right now. U.S. veteran owned and operated. I wonder if he's maybe like a franchisee. Let's check this out. Shah's Halal food. Oh, it's got some cool discounts here. Man, in New York, this line be around the block. All right, let's look over here. Go over there. I was wrong about that. I was calling it, I think, biryani rice, but it's basmati rice. You got the platters here, $8.99. You got your choices. We got the combo, chicken and lamb. That's the only way to do it. It's the only way to do it. We also got a falafel. I love falafel, so we're gonna try it out. We got one gyro. I don't usually order gyros, but for the video, we're gonna try the lamb gyro. And they also got some salads here. We gotta wait a few minutes to get the food. All right, guys, we got the full spread here. This is the red sauce, the hot sauce. That's what we call it in New York. We call it the red sauce. We don't call it the hot sauce. Here we go. I don't usually get this, but I wanted to show it on camera. This is the lamb gyro. It's got lamb, white sauce, lettuce. Then we got, how many here? 1, 2, 3, 5 falafels over rice, basmati rice, lettuce, and this is the main event right here. The chicken and lamb over rice with some lettuce in there. Salad, they call it. Let me hit this with the red sauce right here. I usually do one line of red. They gave it to me in a cup on the side, so that's good. I mean, that's enough. One line of red. Some places you could do 2 lines of red, but it's rare. Usually you get the white sauce, 1 line of red. If you don't want any spicy, you just get that. You just get the white sauce, basically. You're basic. Nobody does that. All right, guys, I've been waiting. I can't even tell you. Last time I had halal food, February this year, and back in New York. Man, I've been waiting for this. This is the lamb gyro. I gotta say, it looks delicious. So this is usually, I think it's not fully lamb. It's lamb, ground lamb and ground beef. And they mix it with like a puree of like tomatoes, peppers, onions, parsley, you know, all kinds of herbs and vegetables. And that's what makes it really delicious. All right, let's taste this. Oh. I'm overwhelmed with emotions right now. I thought I had to go back to New York to eat something like this. The only thing else that I need down here is to try out some chopped cheese, the Yaki way. The lamb is perfect. It's perfect. It doesn't get better than this. That pita bread. This is hitting the spot right here. Look at this. I gotta share it. This is one of my favorites, all-time favorite foods. Take a little bite yourself right there. I'm in the Christmas spirit. I'm gonna share my food. Oh man. Oh my God. The star of this though is that lamb. Oh man. All right, let's try the falafel. All right, up next, let's try out these falafels. Let me hit the salad up real quick. I'm a good white sauce. Oh man. New York made it down here to Florida. Good. Falafel. Check it out. I'm gonna do a 360 on it. It looks crispy. Hey, that's some good falafel. You know what? I've had some before that were a bit thicker. Show you the inside here. Has great flavor, very citrusy and herby. It's ground up or puree of chickpeas basically, with some herbs. That's really good. I've had some thick ones that get dry in the middle, so maybe this thinner one is the way. Well, I don't have to feel bad about eating this because it's all veggies. Get some of this rice here. Oh man, that rice, I close my eyes, I'm back in New York. I close my eyes and I'm back in New York. This is lovely, this rice. Basmati rice. Some cumin seeds, I know they cook it with that, but they add more stuff to it, more spices. Let's get that rice with that cumin flavored rice with the falafel. Oh man, so crunchy and crispy. That rice, I miss the rice so much. Realize how much I love this rice. The flavor. Get some salad. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. Look at this rice up close. See the cumin seeds? Man. I almost stabbed myself. It was amazing. Let's get into this. This is the one I've been waiting for. So you see the lamb on one side, chicken on the other, one line of red. That's how you got to do it. Let's get some with a little salad here. Wow. This is it. This is it. New York made it to Florida. Check out this bite right here. Oh man. Oh, this is heaven right here. Basmati rice. Chicken is good. Chicken is kind of like if you ever had tandoori chicken. Kind of like that. Tandoori chicken. That red sauce. Red sauce isn't joking with you. Red sauce is gonna hit you. Got some lamb in that bite. What they do is they kind of make like a meatloaf with the lamb. It's mostly lamb, a little bit of beef, usually. Some places do full lamb. This is really tasting like lamb though. So it might be full lamb over here. So they make a meatloaf. They slice it up, then they sear it up on the grill when you're about to order. Then they chop it up and they lay it right on here over the rice. Oh wow. Let's get in here. You know. I don't know how many bites I have. I don't care. I need 1,000,000 bites of this. When I'm done with this, I'm getting back in line. Amazing. Oh my God. Heaven. All right, guys, this place, here's the spot. It's the spot. I'm gonna have to beep that out. This place is the spot. Dude, I didn't think I thought I was gonna have to take a trip to New York. I was thinking of taking a trip to New York in like January. You know what's surprising? It's a big pack. It's the only New York City halal food spot in like Central Florida. This place should be like, I don't even know, around a couple blocks. It's crazy. Ridiculous. It's good, it hits the spot. Reminds me of what I used to have out there. Now let's see if we can get a chopped cheese place down here. Somewhere. I'll go down to Tampa, Orlando. What's the other one? Daytona. I'll go to Jacksonville. Let's get some New York chopped cheese down here too. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, share it with friends and family. That's it. That's all I got. Till next time. Don't forget to eat, drink, and be merry.